Carlos here, I hope you are all doing well, and today I'm very excited. We're doing another flower nose unboxing, but this one is very different from my last ones. I didn't buy the makeup products myself. I won a giveaway. So normally I always pick up few products from every collection from flower nose, but they always come in a big gift box like this that you can pull open. This was from the Swan Ballet collection. As you can see, this time they only came in a delivered package like this. There was bubble wrap around the products and I opened the bubble wrap. Let me start with the unboxing while I tell you guys how I want the makeup products. I think I will start with the eyeshadow palette, which I'm most excited for. It feels very heavy in the hand. So before the Little Angel collection came out, there was a lot of teasers and trailers already all over social media. And then after the product was revealed, I was liking all the posts because I really like how beautiful the packaging is. Oh, speaking of this, remind me that I have a highlighter to show you guys from the original Little Angel collection. Alright, my mind is a mess. Let me just get things straight and do what I have to do. You guys can't remind me to show you guys stuff. The satisfying sound. So on Instagram, there's Flower Nose Global, Flower Nose JP, and Flower Nose CN. I think there's more, but I'm not sure. I followed Flower Nose CN, and they made 3 different posts where they introduced a new makeup collection, Little Angel collection, showed off the products, and also did giveaways. They said they would pick 2 random winners from the comments. You have to follow them, like the post, and tag 2 of your friends. I just tried because I thought, why not? And they picked me, guys. They picked me. Out of over 1,000 people, I won. I have won a makeup giveaway before, but it was just one single loose powder from Innisfree. Innisfree said, tell us what you think about our loose powders, and then we will pick 50 random winners, and I won one, and I was already back then. I never won actually such a big makeup package. Let's open the eyeshadow palette up. You guys know this is right up my alley. I like this kind of, I don't know how to describe it, packaging. Let me get this out. It's hard to come out. We got it. I think this one is the biggest flower nose eyeshadow palette so far. Let me bring the other palettes. I brought the other eyeshadow palettes I have for comparison, as well as something I have from the original Little Angel collection. I didn't forget it. I just realized they're both pink. So this is a Celestial Castle eyeshadow palette from the Moonlight Mermaid collection. This is a Pink Swan eyeshadow palette. They're actually exactly the same in the whites. And then here we have the Little Angel collection. I thought this looks a lot bigger, but actually only slightly bigger than the other palette. I really like the reflective holographic foil. It's really beautiful. I like all the Little Angel details. It's also really heavy in the hand. Let's open it up. I only saw pictures on the website for it, so I lost my words. So there's a black angel palette and a white angel palette. They have different names for it. I'm just going to call them the black palette and the white palette. The white one is a pretty wearable neutral palette. You can never go wrong with a palette like this. And the black one is pretty exciting. There's a pop of blue shimmer and a pop of gold shimmer in it, and some purple and blue matte shades. I had a hard time choosing between the two. I wanted to buy the collection myself, so I was already looking through all the products. I don't know which one I like more, and once I won the giveaway, I thought I can't have a biased opinion. I don't know which one I would get. That's the most exciting part. They said they would send random shades of everything, so I don't know which one I would get, and I decided not to get like a favorite thing I want, because I don't want to be disappointed that I didn't get the one I wanted, because this is free makeup and I'm really grateful and already honored to get all this stuff. So I got the white one. I can use both palettes, whichever one I get. It's just the feeling of surprise that I really like. It's like when someone buys you makeup as presents and you don't know which one they get for you. I like the mystery feeling. Am I babbling too much? Let's just look at the eyeshadow. It looks like there are some cool toned brown shades, warm toned brown shades, as well as 3 shimmers on top. I want to do a finger swatch for you guys, but there's a Little Angel on it and there's all the beautiful embossed. I will let it stay for a few days. Let me do a swatch in a few days, okay guys? Sorry, I'm really sorry. Please look up online swatches. I can't put my fingers on it. I can't. Next up, we have the Little Angel highlighter, and this is the original Little Angel highlighter. Let's see how different they will look. So something I've noticed is that Flower Nose is coming out with exclusive shades in their collections. I'm not sure if that's just for China or for the whole Asian market, but there's different shades for the Chinese market here versus the ones you'll see on the Flower Nose Global side. I noticed it since the Swan Ballet collection. We had 2 different loose powders, a pink one and a purple one, and on the global side you will see an extra one, a white one that will turn out translucent, and you can't get it here. There's total 4 shades of highlighters, but the ones they released in China have 2 matte highlighters and 2 shimmery highlighters, whereas on the Flower Nose Global side, there's 4 all shimmery highlighters. The matte highlighters is an extremely pale light beige color and an extremely pale pink color. I wasn't interested in it, so I was really hoping I would get the shimmery ones. And As soon as I got the package, I checked the shades. This is L03, and if I'm right, this is going to be the shimmery beige highlighter. L04 would be the shimmery blue highlighter. I did my homework, guys. Let's see. That's so reflective, guys. Look. Am I talking too much? I'm so sorry, but I'm genuinely really excited. I got the package like half hour ago, 1 hour ago, and then I ate dinner, and then as soon as I'm done with dinner, I came here to film this. I didn't want to open without you guys. I wanted to show you guys. I'm trying to show you guys more of this side of my face because I have a really bad breakout on the side of my nose. I wasn't planning to film a video, but I got the makeup and I don't want to wait too long. I still can't get over how reflective that is. That will literally blind me on my makeup table. I don't know if there's a foil. There is no foil. Okay, so wait, you guys didn't see when I opened it. Let me open it for you again. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, the embossment is beautiful as always. It's a light shimmery beige color, magnetic as always. Let me show you guys. Oh, these two are actually similar in the size. This is one from the original Little Angel collection that Flower Nose had, and people were saying, bring back the Little Angel collection, bring back the Little Angel collection. So Flower Nose came out with the Little Angel collection again, but this time with different products. By the time I bought my first makeup product from Flower Nose, the Little Angel collection was already discontinued, and this was a free gift. When you order more than 4 items or so, they gave away products from the discontinued Little Angel collection, and I got this highlighter. I used it a few times, so you already can't see the letters that was on it. I think they were saying, God said let there be light, so there was light. I think that's what was on it. Let me show you guys a swatch of this. This is how the original Little Angel highlighter looked. I have to pick a place that won't hurt as much. How about behind the Little Angels here? Oh, please don't. Oh, that looks okay, right? I'm swatching the highlighter for you guys. You can see how nervous I'm shaking. Ooh, this one is only a little bit more on the yellow beige side. They're both very light shades, so you can use them as a highlighter, eyeshadow topper, inner corner highlight. I like them. Next up, I'm going to open the mirror. In the giveaway package, there was also a random shade of blush brush and a random one of their hand mirrors. So I was very excited to receive them, and I feel like I haven't said it enough, but I'm very grateful to win this giveaway. Thank you so much, Flower Nose. Not that you're watching my videos, but I'm already really honored to receive one single product, let alone a whole package of like one of everything from the newest makeup collection. So it's bringing tears to my eyes. I'm just excited, overjoyed, and really grateful. Wait, I can't pick it up with my nails. Yeah, I got the white hand mirror. If I'm right, this time they came out with a white one, a black one, a pink one, but I'm not sure. I wasn't looking so much into the mirror. This is how it looks. Doesn't it look good with my nails? So we have little angels all around, and there is a holographic foil like by the other products. I like the mirror a lot. I'll put it to good use. We're coming to an end. There's just 3 items left. Let's go with the blush. Let's open up the blush I got. This time they came out with 5 different cream blushes. This is the first time I've seen them done a cream blush, so I'm excited for it. Let me open it up. Oh, speaking of, I checked the shade name and I can't believe it. So there's total 5 shades, right? And since shade 1 and 2 is different in the Chinese market than the ones you will get on the Flower Nose global side, I think they made darker shades to accommodate is the English word I'm looking for. My vocabulary shuts down sometimes, I'm sorry guys. I think they made different shades to accommodate the global market better, because every time they release a collection, there's a lot of people saying their blushes look ashy and look too white and not dark enough. So I'm very glad that they bring out other products to accommodate people with more darker skin tones. I saw the 5 colors, and the one that caught my eye was the shade 03. As soon as I saw it, I liked it already more than the other shades because I think this is the most vibrant one out of all 5 shades. And you guys won't believe it, I got the shade 03. I swear there's a little angel watching over me. I want the giveaway, I want the shades I like, and I want so much stuff. This year is going great already so far, I can tell. But there's definitely a little angel watching over me. I almost dropped it. There's a light blue background, there's 3 angels on it. I love the harp. And then there is a holographic foil. Let's go. It looks, I had to recheck it because it looks a lot darker in person than what you will see on the camera. The cream blush color is beautiful. There's a little angel on it. I think he's asleep. He looks like he's enjoying himself. I don't dip my finger into it. I'm so sorry guys. You can find someone who's more professional at like makeup reviews. They would dip their fingers into everything, I'm sure. I'm sorry, I don't want to swatch it. Next up, I'm going to open up the blush brush I got. This time they came out with a black blush brush and a white blush brush. I can tell from the name that the one I would get is... Actually, why am I spoiling you? You should check it out for yourself. Which one you think I would get? Let's open it up. I got the white one. It looks like a transparent blush brush. Did you guys see this? The rainbow shift? That's so beautiful. Here I brought over her other sisters. This is the one from the Chocolate Shop collection. This is from the Moonlight Mermaid collection. They all have the same domed round shape for the blush. They're all like, this is a size. If you're wondering, it's a mini blush brush, but not so mini like those travel size makeup brushes you'd buy, I'd say. I think they're really cute to collect, and it doesn't really matter which one you buy, just choose the ones you like the packaging the most, I would say. It feels very soft on the skin. Now we're moving to the last product of my unboxing. Also, if this is the first time you're watching my videos, I would like to mention I have an affiliate code with Flower Nose. If you use my code Palina, you'll be able to get 5% off your order on Flower Nose, and I will earn a small commission upon your order. Thank you guys very much for supporting me and for choosing to use my code. I feel very honored every time I get an email that says someone used my code to buy makeup, and just I feel very honored that someone like click on the site, chooses the makeup products they want to buy, add to cart, and then put my name into the little box at the checkout. It makes me feel very honored and make me feel like some people are watching over my videos and watching over me like a little angel. So anyways, this is a lipstick from the collection. The Chinese name for them is like lip matte stick. So it's going to be a matte lip clay kind of formula, but inside of a solid stick. I didn't care much for lip products, no matter from which brand, because I feel like I already have enough lip products. So whichever this one is, I don't know the color, I didn't see the swatches at all. I will like it, whichever one it is, I think. This actually feels very heavy in the hand, guys. It feels like you're holding a piece of jade or like a crystal or something. This is what it looks like. I got the white packaging. I think this time they also came out with white, pink and black. Let's open it up. Oh, this is the shade. This is like a warm toned. This actually matches with the blush. The lipstick is slightly darker than the blush, but they're both like orange coral-ish shade. I think I will like them. Shall I do a swatch? This one I have no embossment on it. It's okay. I can use it. Oh, that's a vibrant color. Also guys, I bought a new nail polish and I painted my nails with it. I love this color so much. I think it matches really well with the natural light pink color of my nails. It looks more vibrant than I thought. I thought this would be more towards the nude side. This is what it looks like. It's actually really smooth. It feels very smooth when I put it on, and you can like rub it around very easily. I think you can also use this as a cream blush. And that's it guys. These are all the makeup products I got for free in this Flower Nose giveaway that I won. I didn't buy any of the products myself, but I might pick up a few more items from the collection later. I feel very grateful, and we hit the bottom. This is a bubble wrap it came in. And I'm overjoyed. Is that an English word, overjoyed? I'm very excited, happy, and just happy would do, okay? I hope I didn't talk too much in this video, and I'm just genuinely, I can't talk anymore. And I just finished my water, so I will go get some water so I can talk normal again. I'm genuinely very happy and grateful and honored to get this free makeup package, and also to open everything up with you guys, and to think there's many of you out there excited watching my videos as well, telling me all the makeup products you got from their collections, using my code, and discussing like which eyeshadow palette you like the most with me. It all makes me very happy. Also, what do you guys think of the eye look today? I'm having some breakout moments that I wasn't planning to film a video. Just I wanted to stay at home testing out new eyeshadow makeup looks, because it's also very gloomy. I'm not going anywhere. I love to do this on days where it's gloomy. I just test out crazy eye makeup looks at home. And then went down to get the package, and then a neighbor saw me like, "What happened to your eyes?" Alright, enough rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you're interested to get anything from their Little Angel collection as well. I hope you guys will have a great start in 2024, and I wish for many great things to come for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you next time. Bye!